here I'm going to discuss about handling multiple exceptions using try, catch and finally block in Java programming language. Now you can see there is the try block and multiple exception that I'm handling. So this is now catch block. So catch one and this is now catch second. So first here arithmetic exception and next that's for array index out bound of exception. So let's understand the code here. So if you debug the code, then control comes to main method. So this is the main. Then after this is here, in that go to inside the main. So there is the try block. So if there is the possibility of the exception that generate, then you can put the code inside the try block. So here a scanner class sc object created with the help of scanner system.in. So now control comes to this point system.out.println. So now here that display the output screen enter two numbers. So this display into the output screen. Now so if I enter first number, so that received by n1. So suppose n1 that I enter 5 and n2 value that I enter 0. So this here div is now 5 divided by 0. So 5 divided by 0, that here that comes infinity. So there is the exception that generate, then control directly comes to this point. So here arithmetic exception is the class and is the object. Then that go inside system.out.println. So there that display exception found and the value of e. So e value that display array arithmetic exception divided by 0, something like that, that the value of e that display divided by div 0. Okay, now after that this want to execute, then after there finally. So here finally that comes and there that display finally block execute. Finally block that execute. Okay, this is there. So now you can see the code here. So now you can see the output here. So this is running. Now if I enter 5 and second number 0, so you can see, so here 5 by 0 div value is now infinity. So exception found. Here Java e value exception found, then the value of e Java long arithmetic exception divided by 0, and then after finally block that execute. So this here this want execute if there is the first exception that generate. Now let's see the another condition. So there I'm going to show you the another condition where I will keep second number higher than 0. Okay, so 1 second. So now this time, so here n1 value 5 that I given and n2 value that I given 5. So div value is now there 5 by 5, the value come 1. So there is no any exception. So first value second value both are 5, there is no any exception. Then control comes to this points. So there is the ARR. So there is the ARR and it has 3 elements that I store. So 0 index, 10, 20 and 30. So this is here 0 index, this is here 1 and 2 index 30. So now ARR has the size 3. So 3 size is there. So now 3 size and 0, 1, 2, 3 and 3 size is there, but I'm trying to enter on the 4 size in the 4th index 50 value. So ARR here 4th index that I'm trying to enter 50. So there is only size is 3. Size is 3, but I'm trying to enter fourth index 50. So this is not possible. So that there is the exception that occur. So there that exception occur, then that comes to this catch block. So array index out of bound cross object ex is there. Now ex that print the abstract tracks, and then after here that display please check the size of array, and if there is an exception occur or not, finally block execute once taps. So there finally, and then that display finally block executed. Now you can see the output here. So this times I'm going to give first and next number, so 5, then after 5, so both here. Now you can see 5 and 5. So this it's okay. Now that control comes to this point. So there that exception that occur, so that handle or JVM jumps to the catch block. So this catch block that run, and here you get the message EX. So EX, and here EX print tracks. So here Java lang array index out of bound exception, and here there is the message index for out of bound for the length. So length is 3, but you try to enter index 4. So here there is the problem. So that here please check array size this or display, then after finally.